KE2, sir.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. You are having one queen. How will you checkmate black king?
KE2, sir.
No, first you have to make sure that king should move to last row using queen.
Sir, king e2.
No, king e2 is wrong. First queen should be
Sir,
there.
H8, sir.
First you have to checkmate, push the king to last row.
KD2, sir.
Queen movement kano. First you have to push the king.
c3.
Queen c3, okay. Now king f4, f5, what will you do?
Sir, queen d4.
KE2.
Sir, d4. Queen d4.
Now I'll move king e6, what will you do?
Sir,
KC5.
queen c5. Queen c5.
QC5.
You are blocking this diagonal, this column and this row. Now kf7, kf7.
Sir,
QE5. QE5.
So d6 is correct.
q6.
Now I'll move here, what will you do?
Sir, QE6.
QE6. Now k8.
Sir,
QG6.
F7. Sir, F7.
F7 as a stalemate agate now Kaustubh. Stalemate
QG6.
E7.
E7 is correct.
Sir, F7, sir.
F7 stalemate kano. Now king can't move here, it is draw. Adike QE7 correct. Now king has to be blocked. Now king has
KF2. KF2.
okay.
F2.
K8.
Sir, king
KF3.
forward again and again.
Sir, F3.
Okay. Now KG8.
KF4.
Sir, F4.
Now KG8.
5.
Sir, E5, sir, E5.
F5. Now what will you do?
Sir, king G6.
KG6.
King. Now king H8.
Now checkmate, sir.
Now checkmate. Correct.
Sir, queen H7
Okay.
or queen G7.
Can you do it once again?
Or
Okay, sir.
After that, we'll go to rook checkmate. Next tomorrow we'll go to big checkmate. Okay, what can you tell now? What will you do?
Sir, queen C3.
Okay. King E4, king D4,
Sir, queen D4.
queen D4. Kotak diye Raghav?
yes, sir.
Okay. But
Sir, queen C5.
F6,
Sir, QD5.
2D5. Okay. D6,
Sir, QE5.
QE5. Okay.
Sir, QE5.
KF7.
Sir, queen D6, sir, D6.
2D6.
D6.
King G7. King G7.
Sir, queen E6. Sir, E6.
E6. Now king H8.
Sir, queen E7. Sir, E7.
E7
Sir,
is
QE7.
why not F7?
Sir, stalemate.
It will be stalemate.
Sir, stalemate.
Yes. Now what you will do? Now you bring the king.
Sir, F2. Sir, F3. Sir, F3.
Okay.
Sir, pawn push to G6.
Pawn push ila karo. King karo.
Yes, sir. King push.
Now checkmate. ಈಗ rook checkmate ಹೋಗೋಣ. One rook checkmate ಹೋಗೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
Sir, checkmate can also be QF8.
QF8 can also be checkmate. Correct.
Yes, QF7, QG7 also.
Now rook movement. Rook checkmate. Can you tell how will you checkmate with one rook? One minute.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sai Narayan. Good morning, Sai Narayan.
Sir, good morning, sir. Sir, C3, sir. C3.
C3. Now king will move here. What will you do?
Sir,
Sir,
KD2.
sir, D2, D2, sir, D2, D2.
KD2 you have to tell. Now I'll move KE4. What will you do?
Sir, RD.
C2, RC2,
RD3.
RC2,
RD3 correct.
RC2.
RD3
Sir,
correct.
Sir,
Now king will move here. What will you do?
sir, E3, sir, king E3.
King E3 now.
King
Okay.
E3.
Now I'll move here. What will you do?
Sir, RD,
Sir, RD4, sir, RD4.
RD4. Okay.
Sir, RD4.
Now king will move here. What will you do?
sir, RD2,
Ago correct. RD4 correct. Now king will move here. What will you do? King F6. What will you do?
Sir,
F4,
KF3.
Morning, sir.
King F4, King F4,
K4 is
King
correct.
F4.
Now good morning.
Sir, RE5,
Sir,
RE5.
RE5.
Correct.
Sir, RE5.
Now KG6. What will you do?
Sir, RF5. Sir, RF5.
RF5 tappu. King movement. Correct.
King E4, sir.
Now king will move here. What will you do?
Sir, RF5,
Six.
Now king will move here. What will you do?
Sir,
sir,
K5.
E5,
K.
E5, sir, E5.
K.
K5.
Now I'll move here. What will you do?
sir, KE6,
RF6. RF6.
R.
sir,
RF6.
KE6, sir.
K6 is correct. Now K.
Sir, otherwise you'll escape again, sir, King.
Now what?
Sir, RF6. Sir, RF6.
Correct. Now I'll move here. What will you do? What will you do? No, king
Sir, waiting.
should come back. K.
Seven.
K.
Sir, KF, sir.
RF7 is
K5.
correct. RF7 is correct. Now king moves here. What will you do?
Sir, KF5,
KF6 is correct.
KF6,
Now king moves here. What will you do?
KG6,
KG6 is correct. Now king H8. King H8.
sir, RF8,
RF8 correct.
RF8.
Raghav. RF8 correct. Then it will
RF8.
RF8. Can you go to two moves checkmate problems?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, one question is, sir.
ಏನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾರದು?
Sir, ನಾನು ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್.
ಸರ್, ರೂಕ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕರಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ವೈಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಲ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್.
ಆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಕಣ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಲ್ಮೇಟ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಸರ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
White to play checkmate black in two moves.
ಹಾ ಸರ್,
White to play. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 5 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? 6 ಜನ.
QG7. QG7.
QG7 correct. So
QG7.
king into G7. King into G7.
Sir.
ಸರ್, B2,
G2,
ಸರ್, B2,
RG2 correct. BH6 ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
ಟೈಟಲ್ ಸರ್ ಸೈನರಿಂಗ್.
RG2 correct. Correct.
I told.
Sign correct. King can't come here or here.
King can't move anywhere
Yeah,
because
king can't move.
pawn is giving check 1 and rook is giving and
Bishop is also
bishop is
preventing.
giving check. Check.
White to play in two moves.
Sir, your screen is.
1 minute.
Your screen is paused.
Now it has come.
Some are.
Now it has come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, white to play or black to play?
White to play.
White to play.
Bf7.
Bf7, then king will kill the bishop. That is wrong.
QH5. QH5.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
QH.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Kaustubh.
Kaustubh,
Kaustubh.
correct.
Sir, Raghav.
Sir, Kaustubh M.
Now king
Sir,
kills.
Raghav.
Now king kills.
G.
Sir, pawn G4, pawn G4.
On G4, then soldier will
G4.
kill. That is wrong. Bishop F. Who told that?
BF7. BF7. BF7.
Samar Pratap, correct. BF7 is correct. Now king can't come here or here.
Sir, I can't see the screen.
Now it has come, no?
Samar Pratap is blocking the. Yes, sir, it's coming.
Now king can't come here or here. Or
King can't move anywhere.
Yes, sir.
white to play and checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play.
Sir,
Sir, white to play.
White to play. White to play.
Sir, I think Kaustubh lived.
No, he has joined again. He has joined again.
Now Kaustubh is there.
sir, ನಾನು ಈಗಲೇ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಮುಗೀತು.
H7.
Who RH7 ತಪ್ಪು then king will escape.
G5.
ಬಾಗಿಲು ಆಡ್ತಲ್ವೋ?
Sir, or H7.
RH7 then king will escape. King into H7.
Sir, white to play or
Raghav,
black
that
to
is
play?
also wrong. Queen movement. Queen movement. Queen.
Sir, white to play or black to play?
White to play. White to play.
Sir, Q.
RH5, 2H5 is correct. Raghav told correct. So pawn to group, pawn. No,
Pawn to queen.
that is wrong, Raghav.
Sir,
Or where should rook move? Well, correct. That is correct.
Sir, H7, sir, H7, RH7.
Correct. Now suppose king kills the rook, king kills the queen, king kills the queen.
Sir, RH7,
Correct.
RH7.
RH7.
Correct. Now king can't
RH7.
come here or here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
King can't come.
Which is supporting.
Correct.
Uh,
White to play 1 minute.
Which double.
White to play
Yes.
and checkmate black in 2 moves. 2 moves. White. Allah wrong Raghav.
QH5. QH5.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Kaustubh M.
ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಗಿರಿನಗರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Sir, ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ?
ಹೌದು ಕಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಟ್.
Yes, sir.
Or here, correct.
Why my laptop is your internet connection is unstable? I don't know.
King can't come here.
You can't come anywhere.
White to play in checkmate.
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಇದು ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇವತ್ತಿದೆ ಕಣ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಲಿಂಕು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ.
White to play.
Sir, this is Arya. Am I audible, sir?
Yes,
Sir,
that is wrong, Raghav.
BG6,
That is wrong.
BG6.
That is wrong.
BG6.
Then rook will kill the bishop. That is wrong. That is wrong.
Sir,
QH5.
BF5.
2H5 is correct. Now rook kills. One more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, BG6. BG6.
Correct.
BG6.
Now king
Sir,
can't.
I only told that.
Yes, Shaina and told correctly. Correct.
2 moves I told.
No, sir. Only one move is said, sir.
Hey, ಎರಡು move ಕಣ.
I said, sir.
2H5.
Yes.
Rook into
moves.
H5. Then bishop to a6.
Yes, sir. King can
White to play
move very well
black in two
because
moves. White to play 1 minute.
Sir, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಣ ಬರ್ತಾ.
Yes, sir.
Play white to
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. White to play.
Sir, sir, NH7.
NH7 ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. Then knight will kill. King will kill the knight. That is. No, queen movement.
Sir,
Queen check.
2H5.
2H5. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Sir, Kaustubian.
That's correct. Pawn to queen now.
Sir, BH7. BH7.
Correct.
Sir, BH7, sir, BH7.
King can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir,
ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Yes.
sir,
ಏನು?
are you okay, sir?
Yes, I am okay. I am okay. Just a dry cough.
Okay, dry Bishop is giving check given horses.
Sir,
Why? What?
sir, game ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್?
White. E4 ಅಥವಾ D4. White to play. E4 ಅಥವಾ D4 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
2E8.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Sir, ರಾಘವ್.
ಪಾನ್ ಟು ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಡು.
Sir, R6.
Correct. Suppose knight kills the queen.
What if king kings?
Knight kills. King cannot kill.
RH7.
RH7 correct.
Sir, now if king kills the knight, sir, if
Sir, from Raghav,
No.
so
King
many
can't kill the knight because look, the pawn is supporting the queen. Pawn is supporting the knight. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Sir, QH5 then rook H7.
H5.
Sir, I
QH5,
told
sir.
you moves.
Yes.
King kills, then rook
Yes.
to H7.
Correct.
I told it both moves.
Okay. White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves.
Samar Pratap. I was in Archer International School. Someone was there, Raghav. He's my best friend.
White to play.
Sir, BG7.
QH5.
BG7, sir,
BG7.
BG7. Sir,
Who
BG7.
H5? Soldier into H5?
RH5.
RH5.
Sir, RH5.
Now king can't come.
What if knight kills?
Knight
Sir,
can't
what
come
if
because it is pinned. Absolute pin. It is absolute pin.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, absolute king.
King can't.
Oh, okay. Because it is 2 moves, right? It's 2 moves, not 3 moves. It's absolute pin.
White to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. I will send the recording after the class.
Yes, okay, sir.
White to play.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. White to play.
ಬಂತು.
Tom, 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 tom. Sir, white to play?
White to play.
Sir, QC2.
QC2 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. Queen check.
Sir, QD2. Sir, QD2.
NH4.
NH4 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. Queen movement.
QF1.
QF1.
2F1 is correct.
Sir,
F1. Now
sir, BH3.
Yes.
NH2.
BH3. Now king can't come here or here. Correct.
Sir,
Knight
both
is
moves
giving check.
hit, sir.
Correct, Kaustubh.
Even king is giving check. No. King can't give check at all.
ಸರ್ ಎನ್% ಮೂವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಒಂದ್ ಪಾನ್ ಎನ್% ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಪಾನ್ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ತೋರಿಸಿ N% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ
Focus at the game. Focus at the game. Focus
White to play.
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೇಮ್
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Sir, Q hit 7.
Q hit 7.
ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು H1
Sir, pawn into pawn.
pawn to
Pawn into
pawn
pawn.
pawn to pawn
Pawn to pawn.
hit ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣೋ then king can
Sir,
escape
Iron Raghav told. Iron
Correct.
Raghav.
correct
Raghav put arrow, I told.
bg6 then king will escape kano
Yes, king will
come that is wrong.
escape.
King will
Then
escape
king will move to
H8
king will escape. King move to
which
H6
pawn to pawn is
or
correct
H8.
pawn to pawn is correct
Pawn into pawn.
correct
NG5.
to play check
Sir, how
black
the pawn can kill, sir? The pawn can kill. Sir, the pawn can kill.
white to play
Sir, the pawn can still kill, sir.
pawn cannot kill no also
Can.
kill queen H7 king H7 pawn cannot kill because bishop rook is giving
Pawn
check.
into pawn.
Rook is giving check
Rook is giving check.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Queen move to no. King move to H8.
king can't move to H8 rook is there
Then rook will cut. Even
Rook
king
is
move to H6 also. Then rook is there. Even
white to
pawn
play
is
in
also
checkmate
giving
black
check.
white to play in checkmate black in two moves
Sir,
ಹೇಳು
sir,
ಹೇಳು
sir.
ಹೇಳು
sir,
Yes,
Q
sir.
E5, Q E5, Q E5.
Q E5 ತಪ್ಪು then knight will kill the queen knight will kill the queen that is wrong where should queen no first movement queen check first movement queen check that's also
Sir,
wrong
QG4.
Q G4, Q G4.
QG4 wrong F4 is also wrong
QF3.
QF3 is also wrong oh correct
Sir, knight F2.
correct QD5 correct
Yes, sir.
now one more checkmate can you knight
Sir,
wins.
NC3.
Knight
NC3.
NC3 is correct. NC3.
NC3, sir.
Now king can't come here or here or here or here. Correct.
Focus at the game.
Sir,
ಹೇಳು ಏನು
sir, ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹೌದಾ N% ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು 6 ಜನ
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಆರ್ಯ ಸರ್.
6 ಜನ ಓಕೆ
Arun B.
Okay.
N% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ ಈಗ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪಾನ್
Sir,
ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು
I think Arun B has mute. Arun B has mute.
ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪಾನ್ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 10% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅರುಣ್ ಹಲೋ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಹಾಂ ಸರ್,
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಹಾಂ
10%
ಸರ್.
ಹೀಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಸ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಲ್ಲತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿನಗೆ ಹಲೋ
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋದ್ರು
ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ತಾನೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಟೈಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ
ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್
ಸ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಈಗ
ಹಾಂ ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
Arun B.
ಸರ್
Sir, how many, sir?
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೂ
ರೈಟ್
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ
ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಅರುಣ್ B ಗೆನೋ
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್
ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ 1 minute
nobody
play in checkmate black in one move can you tell N%
tell us he is new.
Wait
Let
to
him
play in
try.
checkmate black in
From
one
Raghav
move
to everyone. Okay,
Wait to-
let him try.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. Can you tell n%?
Black in one move.
One move.
ಹಾ ಸರ್
Sir.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir, who can tell?
Arya, Arjendra.
Arun B.
Arun Bhai. Correct. One move check. ಈಗ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್
Everybody,
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. n% ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ನೋಡು.
everybody put in chat.
ಒಂದು move.
ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟ್
ಒಂದೇ ಮೂವ್ ಕಣ, ಒಂದೇ ಮೂವ್. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ n% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ ಸರ್
n% ಮಾಡೋ. ಈಗ ಹೊಡೆದ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್.
ಸರ್
ನೋಡು, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 1 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು, 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ n% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಹೊಡಿಬೋದಾ
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
ಸರ್?
ಬಂದ್ರು ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಹೊಡಿಬಹುದು. 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾತ್ರ, 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತೇನೋ?
ಸರ್ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. n% ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೂವ್. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 10%.
ಸರ್ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಆನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, h² ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, d². ಈಗ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. 1 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೋ ಬದಲು 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ D5 ಟು E6.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 10% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು n% ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಸರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅವನಿಗೆನಾ ಸರ್?
ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಣ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೂವ್. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳು. ಒನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್.
ಸರ್ F7 to G8.
What will you take?
Sir, horse. Knight, sir.
Correct. Very good. Correct. It is correct.
ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ? ಒನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಸರ್. ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಓಕೆ.
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಮೂವ್. ಬಂತ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ.
Sir, E7 to E8. Sir, E7 to F8. Sir, E7 to F8.
E8. F8 ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. What will you take?
ಸರ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್.
Knight. Correct.
Sir, horse. And sir, knight.
Correct. So king can't come here or here. Correct. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ?
ಎಷ್ಟು? ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್.
ಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್. White to play in checkmate in one move.
ಸರ್ ಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಟು 9.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಸರ್ F8.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Sir, G8.
G8 ಗೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೊಡೆದ.
Not G8, then king will kill. Then king will kill.
F8 king can't come here or here. Correct.
Yes, knight to king check. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಅರುಣ್?
Now white to play in checkmate black in one move. I will share this.
Sir, I can't see the screen. The
One
screen
minute,
is
one
paused ಆಗಿದೆ.
White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
K.
Sir, K E2.
K to
No.
move ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, rook ಇದೆ.
हाँ sir.
rook is giving check.
Only one.
Black to move or
White to play. White to move.
Sir,
ND2.
sir,
ND2 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ.
sir,
And D2.
ಕ್ಯಾಶಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಶಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿದೀವಿ.
ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಲಿಂಗ್.
हाँ sir, ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ sir.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct?
Yes sir.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ
हाँ sir.
ಒನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Sir,
White to play.
queen is
White-
made up of rook and bishop.
White to play in checkmate.
Sir?
One move.
ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅರುಣ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಅರುಣ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ ಅರುಣ್?
ಅರುಣ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Let him tell.
Let him tell. One move.
हाँ sir, one ನಿಮಿಷ.
Only one move. N percent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ?
Sir.
Yes sir, AB6.
AB6.
हाँ sir, हाँ sir.
AB6. Now it is checkmate. King can't come here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
हाँ sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. 1 minute.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬಂತು. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only white to play in checkmate black in one move.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ನೈಟ್ F7.
Knight F7, then rook will kill the knight. Only one move.
F5.
Knight F5 is correct.
Sir, NF7.
NF7, then king rook will kill the knight. No? Rook will kill the knight. I think NF5 is correct. Raghav is correct.
Why NF5?
King can't come here or here. Correct.
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೂನು ಚೆಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ರುಕ್ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಡೆದ್ ಬಿಡತ್ ಕಣ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ರೂಕ್ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು. White to play in checkmate black.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ G7 ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
White to play checkmate black in one move.
NF7.
Sir, NF5.
NF5 then king can go to G5. NF7 is correct.
Sir, NF7.
How is the class going on?
Nice.
Fine.
Sir,
Sir.
nice sir. Nice sir.
White to play in checkmate black in
Nice.
one move.
So very good sir.
Thank you, Kala Samar Pratap. Thank you, Samar Pratap. 1 minute. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, QC6.
QC6 is correct. Now king can't come here.
D6.
Arun, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನೋ Arun?
हाँ sir.
Now king can't come here or here or here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ ಚೆಸ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಡುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೂನು ಅದು ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು ಕಣ, ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ
ತ್ರೀ
ಆಗತ್ತೆ
ಟೈಮ್ಸ್
ಕಣ.
ಅದರಿಂದಾನೇ ನಾನು ಸೋತೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು ಕಣ. White to play. White.
Sir, this problem we already did.
No, this is different, slightly different.
Sir,
gave
QC6.
Q6, then bishop comes to B6. Once
QC6.
Q6 is wrong, then king bishop.
Sir.
C5 sir.
C5 is correct. C5 is correct. C5.
C5, sir.
Now king can't come here or here or here.
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. 1 minute. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
Sir, ND7, sir. Sir, ND7, sir. ND7.
ND7 is correct.
ND7, sir.
King can't come here or here. Correct.
Yes, sir. Checkmate.
White to play checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir,
Sir,
G-
pawn into pawn.
G-
Pawn into
G.
pawn.
Sir,
Pawn into
G6
pawn.
to heads. Sir,
Correct.
G7
G7
heads.
is correct. Now king can't
sir.
or here or here. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what if? Oh, okay.
White to play. White to play.
Mhm.
QB8.
QB8 is correct. Raghav is correct. Now, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? Knight can't. Why knight can't come here? Can you tell Arun? Can you tell Arun why it
Sir.
come?
Sir, because of the bishop, sir. Because of the bishop.
Bishop is playing.
Bishop, sir. Bishop.
Bishop is pinning. It is absolute pin. It is called absolute.
Absolutely.
King can't come here or here.
Absolute win.
Correct.
It's absolute win. Absolute win.
King can't come. White to play in checkmate black in one move. 1 minute. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir, QG8.
Why
QG8.
knight can't kill it? Why knight can't kill it? Why knight can't kill it? Why knight cannot kill it?
Sir,
Absolute
rook.
win.
Sir, rook. Rook.
Knight rook is absolute pin. It is called absolute pin.
Absolute win. Then rook will kill.
Sir, Rook is supporting. Rook is supporting.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. White to play in checkmate black in one move.
Sir,
Sir.
D7 to D8.
Not promote to queen.
Sir, D8.
R6.
D8, sir. Queen.
D8 equal to what will take?
Rook
D8.
or queen.
Sir.
Rook or
Rook or queen, sir.
Rook
Sir,
or
rook or
queen.
queen.
Rook or queen. We can take rook. There is two rook.
White to play in checkmate black in one move. One move.
Sir,
Sir, bishop C7. Bishop
Sir,
to C7.
BC7. Sir,
Bishop
BC7.
to
Sir,
C7.
BC7. BC7.
Can I
Sir,
chant
BC7.
mantra? Can I chant mantra?
yes, sir.
ನಮಸ್ತರಂತ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಮೂರ್ತೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಪದ ಶಿರೋಭಾವಿ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಾಮ್ನೆ ಪುರುಷಾರ್ಥ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ.
Nice, sir.
Tomorrow
It
we'll
was
meet at
nice.
same time. Tomorrow we'll meet at same time. Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Sir, sir, tomorrow I have order class test. Tomorrow in 7 o'clock I have order class test. I have test.
Okay. Okay.
Class test. Not my class test. It's order class test.
What
Not
is
school's
class?
test.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
It's an app, Devil